I'm Aaron Voisine. I'm the president and co-founder of BRD, which used to be called Bread Wallet. It's a Bitcoin wallet app and cryptocurrency wallet app. BRD just makes using cryptocurrency simple and fun and safe and convenient. It started off as originally just a Bitcoin wallet, but then the market started going in a different direction, and Bitcoin was below 50% market share, and the market deemed that all these other cryptocurrencies, and XRP being one of the main ones, that they were valuable too, and that people wanted to use them, and so that's why we decided to add support. XRP in particular is proven itself in the marketplace to be very scalable, and there's a lot of other things besides store of value that you can use distributed ledger for, like tracking all kinds of assets, and there's a lot of potential, and there's, especially at this early stage, I think there's a lot of use cases that people haven't even dreamed up yet, and you see a lot of growth and a lot of potential, and the market is validating that out with the price that it's putting on XRP tokens. So I think cryptocurrency in general, it has to pass through several phases before it can achieve its full potential of maybe even replacing the entire global monetary system. It started off as just kind of a toy for developers to play with, and tinkerers and early adopters who thought it was neat and interesting, and then now it's passing through this phase of speculation, where traders and speculators see that it has some future potential, but it's uncertain, and so they're speculating on that future value that it might have. And as its value grows, its volatility starts to decrease as it gets larger, and then I think eventually it becomes a standard for storing value. And then towards the end, the last phase after it becomes a widely used standard for storing value is that people start wanting to trade in it directly, and you start seeing consumer adoption for like kind of retail transactions and that type of thing. But Ripple and other blockchains, I think, offer a lot of features and are competing with Bitcoin in places where Bitcoin, maybe the protocol has shortcomings. And I think that that's really great for the industry. XRP, in particular, is got a really strong foothold in the marketplace, and we see it being adopted by a lot of banks and institutions and other businesses that need distributed ledger type functionality. I think the people who are getting it right are where you're seeing the biggest growth, right? You're starting to see investment banks offering cryptocurrency services to their customers, and I think that's great. That's a great step in the right direction, and consumer wallet services maybe need to step up their game and be able to compete with these guys and make sure that people can access cryptocurrency and have direct control themselves on their own devices. We have to compete with the user experience and the convenience that larger established industry players are providing.